Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to hard mount a case just like this to the top of your roof rack without using any caulk. So let's get into it. So kicking it off, here's the hardware I used for my install. And then the first thing we're going to do is put the case on the top of the roof rack. Here we're just trying to line it up to where we want it, and then essentially mark where we want to actually put the holes in the bottom of the case. So our next step is to find those reference marks that we just made on the case. We're going to put a reference mark that's an identical length on the bottom of the case here, and then use a reference point to measure on both sides and connect the line. So here's the example of the reference point I used on both sides to then mark the line across the case. On this line, we're going to put 2 holes of equal distance. This is totally up to you where you want to drill those holes. So next, we're going to put a pilot hole into the box and then ultimately drill into the bottom of the box. Once you have all of your holes drilled, you should have something that looks like this. Now you can choose how many holes you want to put in the bottom of your case. I chose to go 5 on each side for my application. So this is kind of the secret sauce with doing this without any caulk, is these little washers. So these washers are stainless steel bonded sealing. So these are used for when you put like metal roofs on structures and you use the bolt or the screw to go down. They have a washer built in on the back side that when it squishes down, it expands and creates a watertight seal. So in theory, the same process should work for the case that it does for the ceilings or the metal roofs on those buildings. Here I already have my T-nuts installed in my truck where I plan to mount the cases. All I'm doing here is measuring out the distance that I know is between each one of the holes and where I want the case to start. This just helps with mounting the case on the roof of the truck. All that's left is to get the case on the top of the truck again, line them up with all the different T-nuts that you have in your slots, and install the bolts. So this is what it looks like when you squish down one of the washers. So you can see it starts to kind of push out. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys set up your cases on the top of your trucks as well. Keep in mind that all the stuff I showed was specific to my vehicle, your roof racks, all those things, your cases might be different, so try and work with those the way that you can. But stay tuned for the rest of the channel. Sorry, I've been away for a little while. Thank you guys for all the support. We're almost at 80 subscribers, which is kind of mind-blowing to me. I never thought we'd even get there. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to the next one. We have a lot more stuff to install in the truck, some more trips planned for camping this year, and we'll go from there. So thanks. Bye.